Et sont les Canadiens qui vont arriver.
How the rubber dam fails and the floodwater rushes into open land, this escalates within seconds. Nature's power is no joke. The entire mountain is under attack from violent storm and floodwaters. There's nowhere to escape. This is raw, unstoppable destruction. In 2024, Australia faced one of the worst floods in its history. Homes, roads. Entire towns submerged, the destruction beyond imagination. The flood in India got so extreme that even city buses were submerged up to their rooftops. Entire buildings started shaking during the quake in just seconds. The floodwaters were rising so fast, the roads started disappearing one by one. It looked like the whole area was slowly sinking underwater.
Oh my goodness, look at this flood!
As soon as the volcano erupted in India, chunks of the mountain broke off and slammed into nearby homes. The panic that followed was unbelievable. In July, Turkey was hit by devastating floods. Entire cities went underwater, and roads turned into rivers. The destruction was unreal. The flood in Pakistan was so intense, cars floated through the city like toys in water. The damage was massive. This is the Llano River, Texas, completely out of control. What was once calm has turned into chaos.